What's up, guys? You already know, again, it's water splashing on your home, aka it's the Real Mix family, guys. All right. So I just finished work, and my mom just called me. She's finally going to go pick up her new car. She's finally buying a new car, you know? For true, my mom never bought a brand new car before. Like, she always, like, bought her cars outright, but, like, they weren't, like, the best reliable cars. So this is definitely a big step for my mom personally, and as her son, like, for me to see my mom grow is like, that's makes me happy, you know, because you also want to step up your game instead of just constantly working over and over again. You want to do something for yourself someday, you know. So I'm done work, I'm in the car right now, and now it's time to head out and go see my mom. Let's go see this car, yo. Let's go, guys.
You know what? The best thing is leave it in your purse, never take it out. That's it.
Because it has the automatic thing?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, look at it.
Your brand new minivan!
Nice.
You were supposed to say this was your car!
That's what I'm saying, like, this is it.
A brand new minivan! You know what? A lot of people think
This is very nice.
my mom and I both
My mom's brand new car, guys.
Why? Because it has a pearl undertone. So you just come up to the car, put your hand, and it unlocks. You don't even need to take it out to press the button to unlock. It's literally just put your hand on the handle, and it unlocks.
Ingrid, you want me to move that pilot?
Yes, please.
The white one?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. I was going to go do that next.
Sorry.
Of course. 191038. Let me get the second key. Get the second key. We're done.
Oh, very nice. Nice. Hope you guys come up park. Yeah. You have to promise that yourself. Whoa. No, don't be offended. This is just love. I'm talking with love. This is new.
Yeah, come inside.
Valerie said I have to keep the car clean. Nice, isn't it?
That's it. All right, you guys will see me drive it later on. Mom, you got everything from the car?
No.
So I hope you guys liked the car. I know I did. I'm super happy for my mom. I can't even deal, man, because that's such a great feeling for real. You know, I remember when I got my first car. Well, this is technically my second car because I had a Cadillac before, but this is my second car, and I decided to go with the Audi. But yeah, it's such a great feeling, man. Just picking up your car, you can't go wrong. As you could tell, my mom was happy. Like, you guys can't tell me that she was not proud of herself. So really, like, you can't really be nothing but happy for her, you know? So anyways, guys, the Real Mix family, I'm happy you guys were here to watch the video. You know, make sure you like and subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below, man. Tell me what you think about the car. Do you think she gets something nicer? Do you like the color? Because she got white. Me and her are matching now. Alright, guys, so I'll talk to you guys later, and see you guys in the next video.